I just want to show all these at once. Anyway guys, this is from garden, the maze. The maze is from the garden. And here we have these things, guys. You saw about 3 of them last time. There was no this one, right? There were no these 2. There were no these 1, 2. There was this one, and there was this. There was this and that one. That better. Ndo zvese takabata zvingani musuri. So we still need one more thing. So there's So guys, I did not show you these building tools. They're from Anonymous, the same Anonymous. Maybe you watched that video that day. Excuse me. When we were appreciating the things for December. Bongo nipeje simbi cha sara hapo hicho. Kona. Hiyo kona hapo. Yanga isipo pale. Aipo even pa kutengwa kwa hizo. But I just want to show the remaining thing which is remaining. This is the corner what. This is the thing which I have to buy now. The remaining thing for the corners when you are plastering, and also for the inside, corners. This one I think is for outside. So we need 2 these for one for inside and one for outside, which is like this. This is not ours. So these are the building tools that we got from Anonymous, you guys. All these. So welcome to our evening. This video is just gonna be one long video, so we continue with the video of tonight. We're just gonna make it all one video. So yeah, my sisters are still here, and it's gonna rain outside, guys. Can you see that? It's going to rain. Anyway, it's okay. So say something, Mom.
I just want to appreciate, for these building materials. It's now very easy for my children to go on building, because previously we used to go and borrow. We used to borrow.
Yeah.
So on borrowing, they would charge us. Not just borrowing. We borrowed, and some would say we want $10, $15, according to what a person might want on his tools. So now I don't have to go and borrow. As you can see, there is that fire run there. So they want to plaster it.
The job will be easy.
Commence, I don't know when, because these days, the children are very, very busy in the fields.
Yeah.
So very soon they will plaster that building.
And also want to renovate these houses. So these tools are going to work. They're going to work.
Renovate the house, the home. The home is shattered. As you can see,
Yeah.
It's always in day, and
yeah.
Slow by slow, like a tortoise.
Yeah.
You
get there.
Yes.
Yeah.
The home is shattered.
Yeah.
But then we wanted to renovate it by the help of some of you. They are helping us very much, and I want to salute you all.
Thank you very much.
You are helping us to build this home. The home is going to be built this day.
But why, Mom? The question is, why were you not building all this while? Why?
I don't know. Maybe we didn't have the materials. I don't know.
I don't think it's a material, but you didn't think about it. Like just renovating.
I think
your mind was just, not thinking about that. Because you guys, I also asked Mom, why is it all this while we're not thinking about, fixing this?
It wasn't put into budget.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
But then this year Mudara says, no, I want to renovate my home.
Yeah, and also procrastinating, you know, the time will be moving. Yeah, you'll be like, I will do this next year.
You know,
I will do this next year.
This time we want to renovate the home because, you know, my child is a celebrity. Child is a celebrity. Yeah. So when the people see the home, how shattered it is, they always say, your home is what and what.
Yeah, exactly, guys. Like some of you guys, the comments are so bad. The comments are not good at all. They're like, you're speaking English, but your home looks nasty, bad,
the home is not
ugly, and all that.
It's not up to date. But then, there is a lot of work.
Yeah, there is.
It needs a lot of money. A lot of capital is needed.
Yes. But the way when I was doing the maths, you guys, what you need, guys, is a lot. It's a lot.
Yes.
It's a lot of money.
Other houses, we will search them.
Yeah.
We will do the searching. Yes. But this one, sink. Sink, we'll put the sink. Yes. So this one is the one which will cost a lot. Roofing sheets,
Yeah.
It will cost a lot. Yes. The roofing will be with sink, not the grass.
Yeah. You see, that. That's an opening over there.
That other kitchen and that other one.
Yeah.
It will search it, grass searching. Those one-roomed houses,
use roofing sheets.
The roofing will be iron sheets, zinc sheets.
Yeah. So it's a lot of work, you guys, but they say we have to do it. We have to do it. Also, thanks to the Anonymous who's also helping.
There's one who is helping very much.
Helping.
I appreciate.
We want
because
to appreciate
alone,
you.
I couldn't do. I don't know I could have done this.
There'll be a lot of work, I know. I know.
That other one is so competent in doing everything for me. So I appreciate it very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Very much.
Thank you. Thank you. My mama wane magondora zveumba kwava. Guys, it's already before 6. You see, our sunset is over there, but it looks like it's over there. Taking these people halfway, then I'm gonna also look for firewood. We don't have firewood. So we have these twins, this baby over there and that baby over there. We have my twins in the building. This is my big sister's son. So adzinobvisiwa here dzeoperation dzacho adzinodudunugwa ndingahamba ngedhuma moyo yasale vona handei ndinda kutotungamira ndichiperekedza vanhu. People that don't want to go, you guys, they enjoy here. Huku dzangu asi utata musapinda. Mune utata dzakura idzo dzakukekereza kakara zikona apa zihlangene kona yena lenga ngakoko phela le eziwhite ezikagoko kulo butata vele bona nilumbele windini njengane lomntwana yakekereza sezaqandela. They'll be laying eggs soon, you guys, my chickens. Let me show you over there. Can you see them, guys? Oh. Anyway, welcome to our evening routine. This is a long video. Sorry. So let me take my sisters halfway. Naiwe, tora bar. Bongo, isa zvinhu mubhara. Ndotsvaga unine bar. Manya? Because I need to look for firewood. Ndakapreswa neweti. Uya nebhara shama. Otoita kurisimudza. Riri kuseri koko. Kuseri koko. Bhara
reblue. Reblue.
asi mbudzi haina kuchinjiwa gumbo, ida kuchinjiwa gumbo. I'm gonna fetch some. Sanebe sai moto ama moyo. Akaipa. Mati? Mao. So guys, it's gonna rain. You see that? It's going to rain soon. Also, monya wedu. Kwa matleka tine monya. Aiwe. Ngondi wenzani sasimbana Catherine reshama. Mukuru. Hanga igari bvunde. Inogara ere hanga. But apa pakadai apa mawani. Ewe. Aione pompa ni. Rakutemba. Madzama wako nokuti ndepi amuchire isho iyo zombe le esihlahleni la itachupeka eshamari bongo meni zironge kandi zikumbira feri ndasina kona muzasira kadai iri namama izi zviripi idzo dzatasiya ndakakutemba mfana heye yautemba ndasambosukanyisisha ende ndosanjivhuna tutsotso ndotandogona. Be careful. Vhuna iwe ndichadi ndakudodzokera kupa ndakudanobika. Guys, the job is now easier. Ukwanda kwalowa mthakathi bakithi endlovu ezabe azodwa friend ezasolimelusi siyabonga bakithi. We thank you. Now going to cook, guys. Me when I'm alone I get these small ones, these small ones, not these big ones. I was gonna get these. Who does that? Anyway, thanks to my sisters, they all helped. Thank you very much. No push it. Bongo kadonedza and let's go. Sorry. Ita power. Tsokera mashuro bvati kawan. And kawan hand. Good. Uswa. Hey! Bongo kadonedza nebhara. Ozahando tatarika njienda. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Some road pub yako. Maita basa magulanchito zikoma wambiri. Mwende bwino. Tizaonana mwende bwino. I'm saying they must go well, travel well. We'll see you. See you next time. Bye.
Yeah.
Yes, please subscribe, like and comment and share.
Subscribe, like and comment and share.
Yes, so
don't forget.
Yes. Bye. Wedu. Can't push it. I am back. Yes. It's Catherine.
This is what she does every time.
Hey, she does this every time. Huh? She does this.
I was telling my boy that if Catherine comes here, she will show you how to.
Yeah, she's the one who did all that. She did that too.
Hey.
I was like, yeah, I have to enter here.
Yeah, Catherine will uproot the firewood.
Hey. Oh, she did. I was like, I'm gonna enter in here, and they were like, oh, it's dark because it's too bush and all that. They said no, Catherine. It's not safe. Let us help
very
you.
Powerful. Every time she comes here, she will go into the bush, uproot them.
Yeah, she did.
Uproot the firewood and come with
She did all by herself. I didn't do anything.
Yes. Catherine has power.
Hey, Mama, what do you say?
What I've been telling my boy that just go and uproot the firewood. These ones stays longer.
Yeah, they do. Yeah,
they stay longer into the fire.
I was like, what? She was like, Mom is gonna be surprised that you came early. Back early.
I just saw you coming and I knew that it was Catherine.
It was Catherine.
Because she is very powerful. I know, I trust her.
Yeah, she is very. She was like, my sister, you are older now. You should be able to do this. I was like, no, guys, my guy, I don't have stamina.
She's very powerful,
At least I'm back early.
Every time she comes here, she'll
do that. Wow, nice. That's nice. That's being nice of her.
Very nice.
Oh, thanks to her. So now, guys, we're gonna cook dinner. Here we are roasting some. It's dark here, morema. But these are ground nasiga, freshly from the garden. From the garden, you guys. Ndono faraka mumba. Ndono damba. Mamoyo. Yara.
Mbukendilelo. Ukunyeke. Ngufakile onothi uyafuna ukuwosa. Ngithi ufake endlini awuyawosa.
Wow.
Kunile suvuthiwe.
No guys, this is fresh. Kokomele siphathele lwana umuntu lwamazamba. Izozilikwele. Zisokunama yacho manje. Sorry, ngakuzirwa. You were feeling warm. Utanga nechiko zvi. Takana makumbo ere kana kuti. Takana makumbo ere kana kuti tetezi. Tatete. Antidza wenzani antidza. Nyakotola mnandi. Wahlekelela hede. But semanzi mamo. Omthinje zwe. Ngomfikisa zvakadero. Akusekerera uyalele netilauji. Ati sengumanje mna mama makaka. Phangisa mama utsinza ngu-auntie mina. Unotsinza ngu-auntie za. And mom is preparing faster, guys, because my memory card is full, so I can't show you much. Changing the baby for the first time, guys. Putting a nappy to the baby for the first time. Let's see if I'm gonna do well. These small babies, touching them is like, I don't know. Let's change. It's changing. Yay! My aunt is changing me today. See that, you guys? The sister is a professional. Whoa. See, I tried. I'm not a professional, but this is good. Then we're gonna eat and did it. Okay. Oh, that's fine. So, sapesa banashtora yanga isingaonish. Mamo. I was talking and no one was hearing me. It was actually 10 minutes. I'm like, what? Say my auntie was changing me for the first time. But it was raining. Also. It's a Zirika here. Ah, can you see me? See auntie. Say auntie. Woo! 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 Say auntie. Thank you, auntie. For making me look so much. Thank you, auntie. Woo! Thank you, auntie. Woo! Thank you, guys. I'm looking smart. Thank you, guys. I'm looking beautiful. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Woo! Woo! I'm looking smart. Woo! Let us wrap you up. Thank you, Atete. Ah, it's feeling warm now. It's very, very warm now. You can't do anything. Let's see if he's gonna sleep on the floor. Want you to sleep on the floor. So I was all about where is a lot of drama.
He's not that type.
You must sleep on the floor. Hey.
Not even for 1 minute.
You want to see that today? He's sleeping. He's watching me.
Let's see. How long it will take.
Say I'm sleeping, Gaga. Granima. I'm sleeping on the floor. Wow, look at my maze. Look at my maze, you guys. Morning, you fagalapa. Kavata wena. Kadzikama. Nasikadzikama manheru, but ziso unongoona leziswe. Azotarisa tivateta. Tetetandi. Tetezi. Kundinyanzisa wakuchema. Oza. Tarema.
Hani yeye. Mtombeni. Mtombeni lo.
Sleep on the floor. You must learn to sleep on the floor.
Mtombeni.
Astro tasikuda nemaoko ndabvisawo. Chero ndakaimba hasi kune. It doesn't want that. It's like you have to carry me, auntie. Carry me. See? Iwaweka. Chakurowa one day. Ndautandira mama kwachipo. Tembe uba mambama mta. Why? You don't want to be on the floor? You must go to your grandmother now. Please. because we can't carry on like that.
Busy preparing chingwa.
Bread
Sinkwa, sinkwa, sumpahla. Where do I put it now? Jimson. Jimson,
send on the light. Matata, this guy wants me to keep on singing. Who does that? Matata, it's not quiet, so he wants me to sing. And my maize is burning there, my corn. Oh, I'm saying 40. He wants me to skip on singing. Afaka pants is fine. Alright, guys, we say as we eat. This is maize. So big, you guys. Very, very, very huge. You're gonna have this after eating sadza. After eating soda. Now eating sadza. This is sadza, my chunks. This is fish. This is it was a dried fish, just boiled and added soup. Oh, karukuna kaka fish hapa. Yummy. Boss head made to keep talking on the what? You're firing at me. Well, now. So come back. Sorry, kid. Okay, tell a point at last. In the village, you don't have plates for the kettle. You have to buy one. You have to buy a plate for this kettle. A cat is a very smart animal. But because in the village, this is how we give them. I think food child you can't. Yeah, there's Kubola. Nelis really about. They're forget to bully. No bully. So we have to buy a plate for the kid. In the village, we use what is there, guys. We don't have a plate for the kids. those who used to stay in the village, they know, they understand me. So mostly people, they don't bash me because they know village life. Most of the people who are here, they grew up in the village, so they can relate. Because I tried once to buy plates for the dogs. They were not eating in the plates because they are not used to that. We just clean them if we see a dog eating in a plate. That's what we do in the village. Camera yami mayibe iyekele nihambe kuhle. Hey baba, hamba. Thank you. You're gonna drop my camera. You can go now. Go on. The dogs, they are like security. They will be, taking care of the homesteads. They are not allowed near the fire. Like what you do in the Western countries. You make your dogs stay in the sofa. Give them some clothes, Here in the village, dogs are like security. They will be out today. Same as the cat.
They're not allowed into the house.
Yes, same as the cat. We look for the cat because we had a problem of mouse. Isn't it?
The cats
Rats or mouse. That's why we had to look for the cat.
The cats are special.
Yeah, they're special in Western countries, not here in Africa, ma'am. That's what I'm trying to.
You want them for the mouse?
I'm trying to